So we're catching up with Mackie. You guys remember Mackie from a couple episodes ago, fishing that creek?
Hey, oh, mate.
Well, we've caught up again and we're doing a bit of Bluewater. So we're launching from Dampier. We're just at Dampier boat ramp. There's bugger all wind, but there are big tides, so we're going for a dive. Hopefully the visibility is okay. We're heading out to the islands in Dampier, so the Archipelago Islands. We're looking at an island, it's got a shipwreck, so that'll be sweet if we can get out there. It's a bit of a hike, but we'll see how we go. Of course, we've got the fishing rods as well, so bit of a dive, bit of a fish. Should be a good day.
Whoa, last full send.
Happy days. So the weatherman lied to us again. It happens. But doesn't mean we're not gonna give it a crack. So yeah, she's just blowing its bloody titties off. So but we're making the most of it. We're gonna go up a passage, seek some shelter, do a bit of fishing. We'll still try and jump in for a dive, but we can't go to where we originally wanted to go, just simply because it's blowing. So we'll see how we go anyway. On skis. Oh, she's pulling good, dude. Oh, dude. Snap. I knew that was going to happen, dude. So just dropped a good fish. It was snapped off. So I'm not gonna, that's all I'm going to say about that. Bloody spewing. King of dropping good fish. First fish. This is going to be embarrassing. This is the cod farmer. Whoa, look at that cod.
That's not a cod, that's a stargazer.
Oh.
Look how big his mouth can open.
Stargazer.
Boy, they're ugly. Look how big their eyeballs are.
Dude, they are ugly. He kind of looks like Jabba the Hutt. See you, Stargazer? Oh, we're on the board.
One on the board, we can have a beer now. Woo!
Yep.
No way.
Oh, she's another stonker, dude.
No way.
What?
Gosh, it's killing it. Woo!
Oh, it might have taken me under a snag, dude. Yeah. Can you drive me over there?
Yeah.
I'm on, but I'm on a snag. There's something definitely on, but we'll try and go over it. It's probably a trout, eh?
That's a trout. I bet
You just got to be quick. Dude, I can feel him.
There it is. Oh no. He's pricked you hard. He's got a...
But he's still tapping, like I can still feel him.
No! Yeah, boy! Oh! The cod father. Straight away you knew. Holy shit, he's a big cod! That's good dinner.
First fish of the day, or second fish of the day? Nice cod. Not too big, but chunky. We'll let this fella go, eh?
Look at that.
an abundance of fish, but unfortunately we couldn't see anything we wanted to target. No bone, no trout, cod, reds, there was just nothing. Couldn't even spot a crate. Oh well, better luck next time. Big bommy, mother of bommies. Surely a hook on here. On skis, definitely not big. Pump of one. What is it? Probably a little flag or something. Please don't. Is that a trout? Is that a jack?
That's a jack.
No way.
No way. No way. Juvenile jack.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's sick. That is my first mangrove jack ever. Only with the Mac.
Yeah!
That's sick. Is that really mangrove jack?
100%.
That's sick.
Doesn't look that clear, eh?
Nah man, pretty bad for that. We're on again.
Oh, here we go.
Just a baby. Just a wee baby. What have we got here? Is that a Chinaman?
What size is it? What?
Captain of tiny fish, dude. Oh, here's a little trout.
Little trout.
Oh, it's a little tusk. Little baby bone. Beautiful little fish. The Stonker Master is at it again. Mackie, I don't want you to get jealous, but...
Oh, damn.
Whoa! Jesus! I haven't even had an emu yet. Just want you like a metre long. On skis. Captain Small Fish. Better than being Captain No Fish, but hey.
That's who I am. Not for long. I'm going to be Captain One Fish, 10 foot.
Captain One Fish.
Captain One Fish, 10 metres long fish.
Captain Small Fish and Captain One Fish. We should run our own fishing charters. How successful would it be?
Yeah, we catch a little fish. That's what people want to see.
Yeah. Kids only friendly fish charters. Children under 5. 5 knots, I reckon. She's rough seas. We'll be right.
We'll catch something.
Rough seas out here. On the trawl. Jesus, look at the bloody wake behind us, dude. It's like we're in Bass Strait. Yeah. Storm clouds, look, massive storm out there. Massive storm out here, dude.
I was expecting to get rained on today.
Yeah.
100%.
That'd be nice, but wouldn't it? Little refreshment. This little island looks cool. Look at the shelves and that on it. See the shelves and those rocks and that?
Yeah.
Man, have a look at this water. Look at this swell. It's crazy, dude. But it's not like throwing us around too much, is it?
Nah, we're poking our way through.
Are you on? Go, dude. Yes. Shark? Is it fighting? So we had a floating bait at the back here and he started screaming, so it's either going to be a mackie or it's going to be a shark. But you're retrieving it, so it could...
I'm swimming down, I'm going high.
Is it fighting?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of go. Well, he's coming up to the surface, so it's a good sign.
Do you reckon it's a mackie or a shark?
I know, but it's fine here. It's a mackie.
Is it? Is it a mac?
Yeah.
Dude. How many good fish do we have to lose, man?
Bro.
Right, dropping some baits. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here we go. See you drag.
Getting snapped off.
Oh.
Why am I getting snapped off all the time? Oh, is it...
Oh, that was a shark.
Yeah.
That was a shark. Oh, man.
Yep.
What do you got? What do you got?
I have no idea. Is that a sweet lip?
Yeah, that's a red throat. They're good size, they're good eat.
Are they?
Yeah.
Cool. Beautiful little fish. Sweet is on, bruz.
How are you doing that? You just got to the bottom.
Just a natural, bros.
Just a natural. It's me all day. Oh,
Trout.
look at that.
First trout. She's a pretty trout.
Woo.
Beautiful little trout. Let's try that again. What is it, 10 meters of water? Oh, on skis. Pump of what?
Decent.
Nah. Just like to make loud noises.
Hey, I'm pretty sure
That's in like the good fish category. Yeah, I know they are. I think I just forgot the name of them. Peoples. What's that? Yep. Oh no. Oh no, I'm on. I think I'm on. Oh, it's a little tusk.
How goes that?
Yeah. Better than a bloody caught about 45 fish. Just nothing over 300 mil.
Oh. Yes, yes, bud.
Want to get the fish grips?
Get a little bit of yeah.
Come on. Doesn't help with this bloody swell.
No.
It's a shark, dude.
It's a shark.
I think so.
Seen it. Yeah, hanging under the boat. It might be a shark. Oh.
Bloody sharks, man. Got to a spot, started to feel a bit good, and
woohoo! Look at that shark, boys. Love catching a big shark.
oh, it's got barrel on the big, is it? Well, it was a pretty tough day today without any stonkers on the deck, but hey, still a cracking day out with the Mac. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time.